Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris on the piano. First, let's identify the main melody. The Tetris theme, Korobiniki, is a Russian folk song. We will begin by focusing on the right hand, which carries the primary tune. This approach allows you to master the melody before adding complexity. Remember, patience is key when learning any new piece. Now, let's dive into the right hand melody. Find middle C on your piano. The Tetris theme typically starts around E5, a fifth above middle C. Use your first, second, and third fingers for the initial notes to ensure a comfortable hand position. Practice the first few measures repeatedly until they feel natural. Aim for an even tempo and clear articulation of each note. Once your right hand melody is solid, it's time to introduce the left hand. For an easy approach, try playing simple bass notes or root position chords that complement the melody. Start by practicing just one or two measures with both hands, slowly. Focus on the coordination between your hands, ensuring they strike the keys simultaneously. Gradually increase your speed as comfort grows. To refine your playing, incorporate a metronome into your practice routine. Set it to a slow tempo, around 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it. Practice in short, focused bursts, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes at a time, to avoid fatigue. Remember to listen carefully to your playing. Soon, you'll be able to play the entire Tetris theme smoothly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.